We now have a verdict in the murder trial of former League Baseball player Daniel Serafini.
We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Daniel Joseph Serafini, guilty of a violation of California Penal Code Section 187A, murder, a felony as charged in count 1.
Serafini was found guilty of murder in the attack that killed his father-in-law, Gary Spohr. He was also found guilty of other charges, including burglary and the attempted murder of Spohr's wife, Wendy Wood. He's being held without bail until his sentencing on August 18th. ABC 10's Luke Clary was in court this afternoon as that verdict came in.
He joins us live from Auburn with the decision and reaction from the courthouse. Luke, what was the mood?
Yeah, Laura, Chris, I can tell you that it was an emotional ending to a trial that has lasted 6 weeks and a 4-year-long ordeal for this family that has been devastated by this brutal crime. Dan Serafini found guilty of murdering his father-in-law, of attempting to murder his mother-in-law, and I can tell you that as the judge read the verdict aloud, we saw him looking up toward the ceiling, shaking his head in disbelief, looking over at his wife, Spohr, who is the daughter of the victims, but who stayed by his side and testified in his defense. But as for much of the Spohr family, we also saw them crying out in relief. They say that in this case, justice was served. Adrian.
It's been 4 years since my mom and dad were shot, and it's been 4 years of just hell. And the Placer County District Attorney's Office and Sheriff's Office never gave up, and today finally justice was served.
For us, it came down to, if it wasn't Mr. Serafini, who else could it have been? And then for us, it was, would it be better if we had him, the person we think it is, go away, or letting him go and the chance of anything like this happening again?
And so there you just heard from one of the jurors who explained the deciding factor in this verdict. They deliberated for 2.5 days here at the Placer County Courthouse. They said that they watched back video evidence frame by frame to be sure of their judgment. Serafini, meanwhile, will remain in custody without bail here until his sentencing, which is on August 18th. Reporting live in Auburn, Luke Clary, ABC 10.
We know this has been a difficult trial for the family. Our thoughts are certainly with the family at this time. Our Luke Clary reporting live for us tonight. Luke, thank you.